And the fact of the matter will still remain that homophobia is not imported. Although we all know the truth that we actually had gender and sexuality expressed in myriad ways before the entire British annexation and colonialization. We know for a fact that homophobia is the imported concept and not homosexuality. Unfortunately, quite a few people are not acknowledging this fact.
Okay, so that has been the history of 377, a law introduced by the British, which along with the other laws have remained in place since the constitution came into being, but whose constitutionality has been contested. It was a major legal battle which was started by NAS, soon joined by several other collectives taken up together under the name of Voices Against 377. So we fought and won the case in the Delhi High Court.
Which was then completely struck down by the Supreme Court, and this was sent to the legislature for further to be turned for the purview of the legislature, which was then without review completely thrown out of the window, which is basically why we've called for a curative petition, because the review petition was completely it was declared null and void, and now that the curative petition is back in place, we'd really like for it to be at face value, something that re-establishes our dignity and self-worth, along with